at East Pepperell. When, from Tuesday morning until further notice. Impacts include at 12.0 feet, flooding is expected in low-lying residential areas along portions of the Nashua River. Floodwaters inundate a portion of Route 119 in Pepperell, and also inundate businesses on Route 119 near its junction with Route 111. Know the alternate routes in your location so you avoid areas where floodwaters may have damaged or closed area roadways. At 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday, the stage was 6.2 feet. Thankful stage is 8.0 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow morning and continue rising to a crest of 11.7 feet Wednesday morning. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 11.0 feet on October 17, 1956. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Massachusetts.